here for Gina B. Aarons Designs. This is the second video for this month, and I'm in the mood where I need to make some little presents for friends. You know, nothing major, just the little gifty type of stuff that you give to your friends or your teachers or whatever. And, you know, I printed off some bundles of Gina's papers because I wanted to use some of these things in what I was doing. So what I do with these is I just have these cardboard things that I get in the mail. These are mailers, and I just cut down the flap, and then I can put all these extra pieces of paper that I printed from Gina in here. I actually have a couple of these going. This one was a cardboard mailer. This one was some labels that I had that I used all up, and so I cut this back, and I'm using this one for labels because Gina has some really cool labels out there too that I want to use. So if you're printing off labels and you want multiples of those, then you can do that in here too. But one of the things I like this little calendar bit on the bottom of this label, but you know, I print all kinds of stuff because if you've got it printed, you can use it, right? So I print multiples of things, you know, I print multiples of things so that I've got them handy to use. And then I think about what I can do with those things. So out here on my desk, I have a number of things that I'm thinking about doing. One of which is, you know, Gina packages in these great pieces like this, and I really like these. And I'm thinking, well, what can I do with that? Because I like the design on here. I want to use it. And so I've cut this one down in half, and I'm just going to use this to create a little calendar for a friend of mine. These are little mini tear-off calendars. These happen to come from Tailored Expressions. But what I've done is, as you can see, this is going to go inside of here. I'm going to use some brads to put that down with, and this is just a little pocket calendar that you can carry in your purse or wallet, whatever. So I'm going to tape this down, and then this is going to get a brad and a little wraparound piece, and that's going to become a gift for somebody. So you can see how easy that is, and I'll show you that in just a minute. But I have more ideas, because what I did with these is I printed these on sticker paper. So to make my calendar, all I have to do is take my mini calendar and cut around my design here. I don't need to cut that edge. That's okay. I'm going to cut around this design, just a little bit smaller. And then these just peel off like a sticker, like so. If I can get it going here. There we go. Sometimes they're... I buy the full sheet sticker in a bulk pack on Amazon, and then I can use them like this. So then I take my mini calendar, open it up to the next page, which is February, right? And then I'm just going to center that onto my February flip right here, like so. And I will sticker that down, and then I have my February piece that's going in my calendar. So I'm just going to speed things up a little bit. I have my pieces, and I'm going to put some sequin tape down. Remember, this was the packaging that I cut into 2 pieces, and then I'll use some tacky glue on top of that, just so that I've got a little wiggle room as I put these pieces together. Sometimes the sequin will hold things down way too much, and I can't, you know, if I don't get it on straight the first time, you're kind of out of luck. So that's why I use the tacky glue on top of the sequin, and then I'm just going to, you see, I did not get it on straight, did not get it square, so I'm just going to line that up, position my piece, and make my it's almost like a little cover for my calendar, like matchbook style cover for my calendar. And I want to make sure that things are folded and positioned correctly for me to fit the calendar in there. And then I'm going to grab some washi tape for the edging. I'm going to put some glue stick down just to make sure that that stays glued, because this thing's probably going to take some abuse if it's in somebody's purse or something. If it's just sitting on a desk, it's not that big a deal. But if what you're doing is putting this into a purse or something, it would get rubbed, and I want to make sure that it stays in place, so that's why I put the glue on there. So I'll get that glued in place, get all my pages done, put a brad and string on it, and I will have a little gift. So that's it from me for Gina. Be sure and check her Etsy store. She has lots of cool digitals. She has lots of stamps and stencils. And maybe get something cute for one of your friends, because it is the holiday season. So anyway,